everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to leave a league in ESPN Fantasy Football using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the ESPN Fantasy app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, tap the league you want to leave. Make sure you are in the correct league before you remove yourself. Once you are in your league, tap on league at the top. Now tap on league settings. This works even if you are not the league manager unless your draft already happened. Scroll all the way down until you see league, remove myself or delete team. Usually it will say leave league. If the season hasn't started yet, just tap it once. A confirmation message will pop up. If you are sure, tap yes or confirm. After that, the league will disappear from your list and you are officially removed. If your league has already drafted, ESPN usually does not allow you. In that case, you must ask the league manager to remove your team. And that's it. That's how you leave on ESPN Fantasy Football using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.